So guys, today I'll discuss about one very important topic, that is main engine limitations. Guys, you must know that what are the limitations for a main engine, and this is very important for a class 2 oral exam also. Guys, if I discuss the first limitation, the minimum number of starts needed as per the regulation for a reversible main engine with a fixed pitch propeller. Regulation says that minimum 12 consecutive starts are required alternately in ahead or astern direction for a reversible main engine. Guys, for my engine, as per my this wheelhouse poster, this says that there are 15 consecutive starts required, guys. So this is also the main engine limitations, guys. And guys, next one I can discuss about the main engine air pressure. You see, here's the air pressure indicator. This should be within the green zone, but sometimes if air pressure is below the green zone, engine may not start. So this also the limitation of the main engine, guys. And there is a 2 air bottle. The total amount of reserve air in both air bottles should be sufficient to start the main engine. So guys, you should have sufficient air pressure, because below the sufficient air pressure main engine may not start, or main engine after that may not take the command. So you should know this one also, guys. After that, if I share that the load up program or load down program. Guys, you see here the load up and load down program. Guys, this program allow the main engine to increase or decrease the RPM gradually, guys. Because of this program is built in the engine control to ensure that the thermal stress in the engine parts are maintained within a tolerable limit, guys. If master wants, he can override this one, guys. You see, program cancel. This the button is here. So if master wants, he can cancel the program in case of emergency grounding or risk of collision time. He can override this one, guys. So this one also the limitations of engine, guys. You see, guys, here auto emergency slowdown program, guys. Here this is activated in case of some of the engine parameter do not maintained within the safe. So this is protect the main engine from damage. This auto emergency slowdown program to save the main engine from damage. Guys, if master want, he can override this emergency slowdown override. See, he can emergency slowdown override. Master can press this button, and to save the vessel from any danger, just put the main engine in some risk. You see, guys, here the manual emergency shutdown. This emergency shutdown program normally pressed only if the normal way of stopping the main engine by telegraph is not responding, guys. When the telegraph is not responding, that time you can manually stop the emergency shutdown. Press the emergency shutdown button, guys. This one normally master can do in case of if immediate grounding or collision. To avoid the immediate grounding or collision, master can override this one also, guys. So this one also the limitations of the main engine, guys. And guys, you see these points are used for during an emergency time, guys. And this is the alarm, guys. You should know this abnormal alarm system. If any abnormal alarm coming, you should inform the engine room. Also you can inform the master also, guys. Because you see here this bridge system abnormal, control system abnormal, control source failure, safety source failure, telegraph source failure, safety system abnormal. See, gov system abnormal means the governor system abnormal. And here is the starting, guys, also you should know, guys. Okay, so guys, this panel you must have the clear-cut idea. So guys, next is the main engine astern maneuvering steps. If you want to astern steps, means astern movement, but your vessel is now is on ahead movement, that time, guys, if you give command also, the main engine fuel supply is put to 0 after to the tachometer on the bridge, but may still show the ahead RPM, guys, and still have the ahead speed. So guys, and engine starts turning fuel to the astern direction, but master want to crash astern, so for an emergency guys. So this is also the master can override, and this is also the limitation of the main engine guys, because of when vessel is running on the forward movement, after as soon as you cannot get the movement at the stern, it will take some time to change the command, means from ahead to astern. It will take times. Okay, guys, remember this also the main engine limitations guys. Guys, if I show you the one more important thing is the critical RPM guys. See guys, this is the critical RPM writing in the red color. 50 to 60 RPM is my vessel critical RPM guys. And guys, you should know that on this critical RPM, the main engine should not run continuously to avoid the high amplitude of torsional vibration guys. And guys, all engines not necessarily do not have this critical RPM guys. If your engine has a critical RPM, just indicated maybe by the red color on your bridge console. But if you don't have guys, you can ask the engineer to confirm the figure, because of to avoid the high degree of torsional vibration or stress. It may cause your failure of your main engine crankshaft, so some other parts of the shafting system also. So you must ensure the critical RPM from your engineers guys. So when you join your vessel, you ask the critical RPM, also the sea speed RPM, also the from sea speed RPM to the maneuvering RPM, how much time required. You should know it guys. And this one the pilot also asks sometime guys. Okay, so guys, this is very important guys, so you should know it guys. One more engine limitation is that guys, your engine RPM should be brought up and down gradually guys. Okay, because the large difference of temperature on the inner and outer wall of the piston and liner result in high thermal stress that may lead the premature failure of your cylinder, liner and piston guys. So that's why the RPM changes must be gradually, but if sometimes some situation demands, you must make it quickly guys to avoid immediate danger. So this is also the limitations. Also one more thing, I also already one more videos have that about the main engine testing. There I showing you the how to test the main engine. There also guys, when you test the main engine, not like that you put dead slow ahead too much long time after they put in stop. No, because if you make that time long time, maybe your vessel at jetty and your mooring line is broken already. So you cannot put that time long time. Just as soon as you will get the dead slow ahead RPM, just quickly come back, maybe within some seconds. Remember, okay? Within short time, you should test the main engine when you are at jetty. This is very important. You must know it, guys. Okay? And I have the one videos of how to test the main engine. You can check that one also, guys. So guys, if I conclude here now guys, the main engine limitations I can say like that way guys. The minimum number of stars needed, the air bottle pressure, also guys this engine RPM should be brought up and down gradually, the load up program and load down program, and also guys auto slow down program override guys. Also guys this emergency shutdown program, also this astern maneuvering steps, this crash astern, also this critical RPM. These all are the engine these all are the main engine limitations guys. So you must know this main engine limitations for your oral exam also and for your practical life also guys.